Good evening, friends. This is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstromoneyGuru.com and online channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today, 16th of June, year 2020. Friends, in this show, we shall talk about Indo-China border tension and impact on stock markets and money market. Friend, before we should go ahead, we shall just recall what we have talked in our previous shows. If you remember, in previous Friday, I was bit short and given a clear indication about Monday as well as Tuesday. I said the first half of the week of third week of June, which started from 15th of June, are expected to show highest volatility and weakness in the stock market. I always say, if you look at the Nifty, certainly we need to respect the labels. Labels, especially for the intraday trading, labels are supposed to be known as God. You have to respect the label. If you remember, I had given clear indication about the Nifty 10,100, 10,150. Exactly things is happening. Even today, on 15th of June, great downward movement was seen, and Tuesday the Nifty was open with a gap up opening was seen 10,023, 10,000 and almost 25 levels we have seen. Exactly on that level, because that was the great resistance level, that very level the Nifty was just went down by 9,725. Exactly, we have created short positions also in Nifty 10,025 levels as we were expecting, and it just achieved our third target. From third target onward, again Nifty bounced back and closed with a 100-point plus. So this up and down, it is the game of numbers, and the numbers are the best calculated with the financial astrology. So friends, the Nifty short was created, enjoyed big profit, and certain number of stocks got we have created short and enjoyed the profit. Now what is expected on 17th of June? What all the stocks and the commodity is likely to see upward movement. So far with the China and India is concerned, we have to remember we have taught a good lesson to the China in year 1967 in Nathula. Of course, in 1962, the Chinese set up a great victory because of we were not well prepared. But whenever the Indian forces are well prepared, are quite capable to reply, rather befitting reply to anyone in the world, whosoever it may be. The Indian soldiers, their fighting capacity, their patriotism are the highest level, and their fighting spirits are no match at all. And Indian forces are the best in mountain warfare and tested in different platform and different time. Yes, the two countries who are having the nuclear warheads, it is not very easy to get into the conflict or the war, because that is not good for the rest of the world also and for the countries also, because one war is costing too much. Both of the country can go behind 20 years, 30 or even 40 years. So now this is up to the top leadership to decide what to do, what not. But this is certain, the Indian forces, Indian public are quite capable to giving befitting reply to the China. Friends, now we shall talk about what is supposed to be expected in 17th of June year 2020. If we see First of all, we have to see what is the planetical condition. of 17th of June. So I'll show the slide. Moon, it is an Aries. Jupiter and Saturn are in Capricorn under retrogression. Venus, it is in Taurus. And these combinations are clearly indicating that Indian leadership, military leadership and capacity is quite capable to handle this border tension, and hopefully we should pray that it should be calmed down with the mutual understanding. Friends, now what is impact on the stock market? Of course, uncertainty, geopolitical tension create tension in the market also, because the stock market is such a place where one mild news create impact either side. So therefore we can say that, if you remember, in around a month back when I said there are total 6 to 7 planets are going to be under retrogression in the say second half of the calendar year 2020, Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Mars, that all these planets bring the geo-economical tensions, geopolitical tensions, and it will impact the GDP, it will impact on employment, it will impact on the capital market also. You see, under these retrogression, and the important, if you remember, I have shared the impact of lunar and solar eclipse. Within 30-35 days, there are 3 eclipses are also being taking place. So all these combinations are creating tension all over the world, and we need to be really careful to go for long term trading or investment, or go for big volume trading. So it is advised to go for the low volume trading, be stock specific, do industry specific, and timely profit booking. It is mandatory in these stocks. So friends, now I shall discuss the stocks which are looking positive in next few days. First stock I will look at the Tata Coffee, under flagship of the Tata Group of Industries, one of the world best and leading brand in coffee, Tata Coffee. If you remember, I had recommended in 72 level, I have again recommended in 79 level, again recommended at 85 level. So the Tata Coffee is the stock which you can keep under observation. It is for the short term investment. It's a wonderful stock. This is closed down by rupees 85. I'll show what is the latest and closing price of today. Tata Coffee. ₹84.85. This was the Tata Coffee. This is TACD. It was up around 3.80% to ₹95. Let's see the graph on the screen. So this particular stock is looking really good so far with the trading as well as investment. The second stock I would like to show it to you, that is again from Tata Group. It is a Tata Consultancy Service. Tata Consultancy or TCS is the one of the world leader in IT industries, and of course the biggest in India. It's looking positive. It's looking positive. TCS. You can keep an eye on that. The Venus and the TCS has got wonderful combination. So let's see what is exactly it is closing price of the TCS. Will show the screen. TCS is again a good stock which we would like to share with you. This is 2041 rupee. It was up by 11 rupee 90 paisa, almost half a percent up. So TCS is also looking good at this junction. 2041 rupee 80 paisa. This was the closing pricing of TCS. It looks good. It could be kept under observation for the short-term investment. Friend, TCS and the Tata Coffee, these two stocks, it is being recommended by us to kept under observation. Let's see what's happened, and you can keep watching our show on regular basis, live show as well as recorded show. Friends, we are offering online financial astrology course also for the Nifty, crude oil, base metal, currencies, and the stock market. You can join online financial astrology course also, and you can enjoy by our services in stock, commodity, and currency during live market. Thank you very much. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you have not done yet. So you are most welcome to be our patron by subscribing our channel, and so that we can update notification to you whenever we'll bring something new for you. Friend, if you remember, we were just said yesterday about the positive movement, the crude, and crude has shown wonderful upward movement. I hope all of you must have been enjoyed. Thank you. All the best. God bless you. Happy trading. Good day.